Hello everyone, I'm Neetu. Today I'm going to explain types of flat plates. First we'll see flat plate collectors. The flat plate collectors forms the heat of any solar energy collection system designed for operation in the low temperature range for 60 or a medium temperature or from up to 100. A well-engineered flat plate collector is delivers heat at a relatively low cost for a long duration. The flat plate collector is basically a heat exchanger which transfers the radiant energy of the incident sunlight to the sensible heat of a working fluid liquid or air. The term flat plate is silently misleading in the sense that the surface may not be truly flat. It may be combination of flat, grooved, or of other shapes as the observing surface with some kind of heat removal device like tubes or channels. Flat plate collectors is used to convert as much solar radiation as possible into heat at the highest attainable temperature with the lowest possible investment in material and labor. Flat plate collectors have the following advantages over other types of solar energy collectors. Observe direct, diffuse, and reflected components solar radiation are fixed in tilt and orientation, and thus there is no need of tracking the sun, are easy to make and are low in cost, have comparatively low maintenance cost and long life, and operate at comparatively high efficiency. We'll see about types of flat plate collectors now. In flat plate collectors, the heat loss of convection is more important in the determination of the performance. The convective heat loss may be decreased by using double grazing, but the radiation reaching the observer is reduced due to double reflection. Hence, at low temperature, where this loss is small, use of single glazing gives a better efficiency than the double one. While at higher temperature, difference the use of glazing is advisable for better performance. Compares the efficiency of single and double grazing flat plate collector in different temperature ranges. Here are the characteristics curve versus efficiency. Here we can see the graph. Flat plate collectors are basically divided into two categories according to their use. First, water or liquid heaters and hair heaters and hair heaters. These collectors meant for these uses are subdivided as follows. Now, the flat plate collector is divided into two types, water or liquid heater, and one more is hair heater. Water or liquid heater is subdivided into pipe and fine type, water sandwich type, semi sandwich type. Hair heater is divided into finned plate, metal matrix, coagulated plate with selection surface. The schematic diagram of all these collectors with single grazing as shown in figure. These observed plates broadly classified into three basic types as shown, depending on the extent of wetted surface area to the observing surface area. Here you can see the tube in flat plate. This is a tube in flat plate, and these are the tubes bonded to upper surface of the flat plate. Tubes fastened to lower surface of plate. Tubes fitted in grooved plates. Corrugated sheets on the flat plate. Corrugated sheets riveted together. Corrugated sheets fastened together. Roll bounded aluminum collectors. Different modes of tube attachments. Here we can see bond attachment, tie attachment, and clamp attachment. Rectangular tubes bonded to plate. Thomson system. Roll bond aluminum collector. These are the schematic diagram of different collector with single grazing. Type 1 pipe, and in type 1 in which flows one in the pipe and ends as comparatively low wetted area and liquid capacity. Rectangular or cylindrical full sandwich type in which both wetted area and water capacity are high in second type. In third type, roll bond type or semi sandwich type intermediate between type 1 and type 2. These are a diagram, pipe and fin diagram, type 2 water sandwich diagram, and a type 3 semi water sandwich diagram. Thank you.